SSG.DEXX. We got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way. Smoke coming up, wanna see a donut. So I pull up the motherfucking E-brakes. Under the seat, it's a 3-8. Them tops, they smell like a DJ. Then I double back to the sink, cause I know that someone got it on instant replay. Went and dropped the bag just for the tune-up. We need extra speed. 20 for the rap, posted that Bolero, sitting extra clean. Waiting for the ghost, he bending corners in the SRT. Fume on the daily, we got them niggas screaming F.O.D. like I'm SSG.DEXX. We got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way. Coming up, wanna see a donut, so I pull up the motherfucking E-brakes. Under the seat, it's a 3-8.
Hey man, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy SSG.DEXX, man. Back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. Hey man, I see in today's title, man, something went wrong with my tires coming back from this meet. You guys gonna have to check it out, man. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're going up all 2020, man. I'm looking rough right now. I haven't dropped a video in a minute. Been busy, got a lot of stuff going on, man. But that's why I'm masked up, because I'm not freshed up today. Man, but other than that, I still got the cash giveaway going on. I did hit 400 subscribers. Just get me to 500 so I can give y'all some cash. I don't know what y'all doing. So, other than that, man, I hope you enjoy this banger. SSG.DEXX out. We had to make a quick pit stop because, Alright, YouTube, man. Y'all see the car on the lift, man. I done fucked up. These are my two 245s. These are my tires right here, man. They are fucked up. You already know what it is. I'm getting big meats. I'm gonna go 275s. I'm gonna do a tire upgrade. But y'all see these right here. This one that's not even the bad one. Look. But y'all see, man. Let me show y'all something. I'm over here in Saginaw, Texas. I'm getting my tires done. Hold on. Y'all see the crew over there, man. Y'all see the crew. Just getting shit done, man. Y'all see, man. We're getting the 7540 R20 put on them. Y'all see, man, I got the 275s on there. Y'all see it, man. We got the 275.
Drift up like I'm SSG.DEXX. We got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way.